Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Shadow versus Knuckles from the new Sonic 3 movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Knuckles versus Shadow, let's begin with Knuckles over here. So I'm going to start right up here and we're going to make his eyebrow. So let's just begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to curve this up. Next, we're going to bring this back down for the actual eyeball. And then let's go ahead and make a little oval shape in there. And we just color in that, leaving just that tiny bit white for the reflection of his pupil. Next, let's curve this line around, and we're going to bring this down to here. And then we're going to curve a line that's going to come up here. Next, we're going to just make a little nose. So we're just going to color in a little oval. And we can leave a tiny bit of that white too for a little more reflection. Next, I'm going to bring this line up here for the head. Then I'll add a little line down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out here. We're going to bring it to a point and then back. We'll do another longer point and up here. One here. And then we're going to do one more. It's going to come down here, and then we're going to bring this up towards the eye. Now we're going to make his arm coming down here. So I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come out. We're going to go over, and we're going to bring this back. Then let's kind of curve a line that's going to come down and then up here for the mouth. Put a couple little lines in there. Now, starting here, we're going to curve this line for the back of Knuckles. We're going to bring this line down, up, and then down for the tail. Then we're going to bring this up, down, and then up here and kind of curve it around. I'm going to bring this line up for a leg. I'm going to come down, over, and then we're going to bring this up and down. We're going to bring these lines down, over, and up for like the top of his shoe. Then we're going to curve this line around. And then we're just going to kind of make that same curve shape right here. We want to kind of look like we're looking at the bottom of Knuckles' shoe. We're going to curve this around here. Almost kind of looks like an 8. And then I'm just going to make another one of these curves. Then we're just going to put some lines on here. And then we'll put 2 curved lines here. Then let's just curve a line up here for his body. Now we're going to make the other leg here. So we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then bring it up. We'll do that little curve shape here. Then we're going to curve this around. And then we're going to curve this around here. And we're going to curve these lines here. We're going to make 2 lines here. And a wavy line here with a couple more lines for the little bottom of his shoes. Then I'm just going to put a little rectangle shape on the top of each one of his shoes. Then I'm going to make his other arm come out here. So I'm just going to curve a line that's going to come up, over, and then down with a little sad face. We're going to bring this up, around, and then down. We're going to curve this up. We're going to put a big spike, line over, and another big spike. I'm going to bring this in, and we're going to curve this around. Now let's make this hand. So I'm just going to make a little line that goes up and down, and we'll bring this over. Then I'm going to curve this line around and over to here. Bring this line over. And I'm going to put a big spike here, and then a big spike here. I'm going to put a curve and then a big line here. Now, once we have Knuckles drawn, then we want to draw shadow over here. So I'm going to start here with the eye. So I'm just going to make a line that's just going to go down, and I'm going to curve this up. Then we'll curve this up to here for the actual eye. A little skinny oval, and we'll color in most of it, leaving a little bit black, or a little white, excuse me, for the reflection. We'll curve this here. I'll make a line that's going to come right around here. Then a line we're going to curve up here for the mouth. And we'll just connect that. Put a little dot for the nose. We'll color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. We'll curve this around for the mouth and a couple lines coming down for the teeth. Next, we'll bring this up to here. We'll make a line that's going to come up and down, kind of a curved triangle shape for the ear, and then another triangle shape inside. Another triangle shape over here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out to a point and then back. And then I want to start here with the body. So I'm going to make a couple pointed lines down, and then a couple pointed lines that come up for the chest. Bring a little line down, and then I'm going to bring this up and then down here for like his leg. We'll bring this over and up. Then we're going to bring this back here. Little line over and up. Then I'm going to bring this line down, bring it down, and then we're going to curve this up for the shoe. Next, we're going to draw a line across for the sole. Then we're going to go down, over, and then up here. Now for this leg, we're going to curve this line down, a little smiley face, and then bring this up here. See, I made it a little bigger and then a little skinnier up here. We're going to curve this line around. Then we're going to put another line that's going to go down, over, and up. We're going to come out and down, over, up, and then in. I know it's kind of a lot of steps in one. We're going to go down and over on each side. We're going to make kind of like a square shape here. Next, for the back of shadow, we're just going to curve this line up. Then I'm going to curve a line right to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around for the thumb. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up for a finger, and then another one that's going to come up for one of his fingers. We're going to make an oval shape here and another oval shape here. Then we're going to curve two lines down. we're going to curve here. And I'm going to curve this here. I'll make a little line on here. Then we just connect the back. Now to continuous spikes, I'm going to curve this one up because he's got that really pointy one that comes the opposite way. I'm going to bring this down, and then I want to put another one here. And then 2 right down here. And a little line for his tail. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve. We're going to come down and bring it back. I'm going to curve a line around here. And we're going to curve this line down and up. Then we're going to curve this to here to make it look like he was kind of trying to like swing a punch at Knuckles. Then we're just going to bring this line down. Then finally, our last step is we're just going to draw a little line down the spike here, and then another one here. And we'll do one here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Knuckles versus Shadow. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.